Welcome back to 10 Slate Info. During any war or combat situation, it's very vital to destroy the main assets of the enemy force. When I say vital assets, it's like runways, the bunkers, the aircraft hangars, and other reinforced structures. These are the things which are required to continue the war, so destroying these things would weaken the opponent country. One of the easiest and effective ways to demolish such assets are using high precision guided bombs. And one such thing, which is being made indigenously by India, is DRDO's SAW, where SAW is an acronym for Smart Anti Airfield Weapon. The Smart Anti Airfield Weapon is a long range precision guided bomb which is developed by DRDO. This weapon are designed to engage ground targets with high precision up to a range of 100 kilometers. This weapon is of 1.84 meters length and it weighs around 125 kilogram. With capability to carry a high explosive warhead, these bombs have deep penetration capability as well. This weapon has been tested multiple times to check its reliability, and post multiple successful tests, the smart anti airfield weapon has been entered limited scale production when the Defense Acquisition Council cleared an unspecified number for the Indian Air Force and Indian Navy. DRDO is also planning to come up with a more powerful variant of this weapon, which is said to be equipped with electro optical infrared seeker and an automatic target acquisition capability. As of now, this weapon can be launched from Jaguar, Sukhoi Su-30 MKI, and Hawk 132 aircraft. In future, there are plans to integrate these weapons with the recently inducted Dassault Rafale and Tejas Mark 1A variant once it is inducted into Indian Air Force. Main reason to integrate the DRDO SAW with future Tejas is to enhance its capability to strike the ground targets, and it looks like, as per the defense sources, the trials might begin before the end of 2021 tentatively. Rafale fighters already come equipped with many powerful weapons and missiles, and having Tejas fighters also equipped with all possible missiles and bombs will boost the combat power of Indian Air Force. So let's expect DRDO keeps coming up with such weapons and boosts Indian defense forces. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slate Info for more defense and aviation updates. Thank you.